In the next 2 minutes, you will exactly know what stack to use and what to do with that stack to optimize your conversions. Very often what I have seen with my clients is we're all excited to go ahead and implement our analytics and heat map tools like Hotjar, but what happens is the enthusiasm fades away the very next day. We go ahead and install it, but what happens after that is something that we don't really pay attention to. So what we will be looking at is the combination of things that you can do with these tools, which are really amazing set of tools. But as you know, tools are not important. What you do with these tools is what is of importance. Hotjar, which is now a Content Square product, which is taken over by Content Square, is suitable for evaluating the heat maps and analytics when it comes to web page visualization for small and medium businesses. So a combination of Hotjar and landing page will help you go ahead to look at heat maps, actively look at heat maps, what is happening in real time. Use those to go ahead and make fixes to your conversion pages, to your landing pages by quickly moving around your call to action to make sure what is the best things that you can do. Let's look at what are some of the things that we can do. So here is where you have Hotjar, which will help you better visualize what happens on your website. As a combination, you can use that with your landing key, which is your landing page optimization tool, to go ahead and quickly implement all that you have seen in Hotjar and to replicate that behavior so that your users are in line with what's happening, so that your strategy is in line with what is happening with your users and their behaviors. You can use heat maps like Hotjar with tools like Unbounce, which are the smartest landing page tools available out there, which will help you go ahead and leverage smart insights, do your A/B tests to send traffic to the most converting page and collect those analytics to go ahead and do your real-time personalization to real-time analysis about what is happening on the heat maps, and then you can replicate that behavior, do A/B tests and send traffic to your high converting pages. The next tool that I'm going to talk about which is called as Attention Insight, and this tool kind of blew my mind away because this tool is trained on the enormous amounts of website behavior data, which is trained on, it is kind of trained on simulations where the eyes go, where it is trained on how people's behavior and people's viewing behavior on a particular website goes. And then this tool will kind of give you an insight as to what happens or what is the best heat map visualization that you can predict based upon the data that it has been trained on. So even before you have a landing page, if you can use this tool, it will give you a predictive map of possibly most accurate behavior that you can expect when it comes to your website. While that is one side of the things, the second side of the things is this can be used as a very efficient competitor analysis tool where you just put in your competitor's website URL and it goes ahead and analyzes and reverse engineers the whole strategy that you can replicate if you're not already doing that. Hopefully you will use these strategies and come up with an excellent plan for visualizing your website data. If you need a breakdown of the entire workflows, put it down in the comments and I will send it to you. Thank you so much. My name is Casey. Happy converting. Until then, cheers.